always say you want the jury to look like they're watching a tennis match or a ping pong table match going back and forth. You want it to be fun and interactive. And a lot of lawyers, young lawyers especially, everybody's young to me anymore, but they say, you know, what makes a great lawyer? And I said, an authentic lawyer. Be yourself. You know, don't try to be somebody else. And juries like that. They like lawyers who show their humanity. I can be very self-deprecating, and I don't care if I look like a fool. If it's going to help my client and help me win the case, then let's go for it. But yeah, you got to be kind of fearless. I always try to remember that I'm just talking to average people. And people love stories, and they like stories that, you know, develop and the way you frame a story. And so when you tell the story, I don't think you always start with a chronological story, which is what people, I think lawyers often think, let's start at the beginning and go to the end. You've got to tell the story in a way you're going to grip the jury and have them feel what your clients felt while the story progressed. And you've also got to frame it in a way that they are going to think they are being unreasonable if they don't answer on behalf of your client. I firmly believe that when you're communicating with juries that the fight or flight syndrome is there. So I think it's really important how you frame a case. And with a jury, when you're telling the story, do it in a way that you frame the case where they feel what you're feeling and see what the outcome is, and they almost feel like they're being unreasonable if they don't find in your favor.